Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Well, guys, so today I'm gonna be demoing my latest project for Bitakwa app, which is video Kajian screen. As you guys can see over here, video Kajian screen. So without further ado, let me start to explain. First of all, as usual, we have our changes in main Dart, which adds the function, this widget over here to become functionable, so we can actually click it. As you can see, then I'll go to this screen. Then this screen is video Kajian screen. So over here, as usual, we have our imports, and then we have a stateless widget because the condition of this screen is not going to change other than scrolling up and down. Then after that, over here we have override. What's the function of override? Override will make the code run simultaneously with other codes. After that, we have widget build, and then we want to build the header for this screen. As usual, the app bar, I don't think I need to elaborate anymore. Then over here, the body list. Over here, it will make a list of cards and widgets, like these over here, but it doesn't specify how much. Over here, it will specify how much. How many widgets do we need? But over here, we have 5, because we have 5 videos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, as you can see. Then next, it it will, after counting how many widgets, it will make one card for each widget per video. Since there's 5 videos, so there are 5 cards and 5 widgets. After that, over here, it will turn gesture detector on top push navigator. So over here, it will take data from video Kajian, video data over here, like this part over here. It will take data from video data. As you can see, the data for the videos, the thumbnail, the account name, the Ustad name, and also the what's the name, the title, the URL for the next video later. It will, and also the description for the video. It will fill it to these texts, and these texts will be moved to detailed video Kajian. Later, the data will be accepted over here, but more on that later. Then, over here we have child curtains. Over here until here is gonna be making the widget. Actually, no, the what is this? The detail, the UI, you could say, for the video Kajian screen. As you can see, um, week later I'll put a thumbnail in here. First of all, for each video I'll put a thumbnail, and then I'll put the account name, the Ustad name, also the title. Then it will repeat that 5 times until all of the videos are finished. As you can see over here, it will set the aspect ratio. That's that's adapting to the, what's the name, the thumbnail size. And since the thumbnail size is 16 by 9 presentation size, it will set it to 16 by 9 the size. After that, I'll put the thumbnail in, the position, so it's all on the middle. Then I'll put an icon in the middle. As you can see, this orange icon, color primary color is orange. After that, it will add some space between the two, and I'll put the account name, and then it'll see the text style, the color, and then the what do you call it, the font family. And it does the same for all of the other texts over here, just maybe change the size a bit and the color. Then we'll go to detailed video Kajian now. Now, as I've said before, it will take the data from this, from the video data. The data will go here, then it will be transferred from here to over here. So now it already knows the URL, the account, the set name, the title, the description, and then it will use these. Oh, sorry. Huh. Okay. it will use the data over here for the code when we enter a video. Okay, as you can see, first of all, of course, set state. Um, Pause. Of course, we have set state. Create set. Yeah, so it's a set state. Since it's a set state, no. Actually, never mind. You know what? Override. First of all, it will automatically run the code inside here. So it will set the state for the video Kajian. So I'll just place it over here. After that, over here, um, it will activate the. It lets the app accept YouTube videos. Yeah. First of all, it will import the actual YouTube player in Flutter. Then over here, we'll override so it simultaneously runs the code. Then over here, it will this code over here is for the YouTube part of it. So first of all, it'll convert the URL into a video ID. For example, ABC123, but in this scenario, I don't really know since I can't see it inside the code. After that, it will automatically play as you saw before. When I open the screen, it automatically plays. See, I'm not gonna touch anything. It's gonna take a while. Then it automatically plays. And then it'll automatically unmute it, as you can see. After that, over here, when I close the screen, it will automatically forget all the data that was in here, like the description, the actual video, the offset name, the title, and everything else. Let me pause this for a sec. Over here, we have our usual app bar. No need for no. I don't think I need any explanations except for the text. So the text over here, usually, if we see over here, the text for the app bar. Let me search for it first. The app bar. Where's the app bar? App bar. The text is already set. But over here, it's not set since we don't know what video is gonna show up. As you can see, since this video is berbakti pada orang tua, then the title is berbakti kepada orang tua. And then, as usual, we have the icon button, the color, the icon, navigator, pop context. And over here we have the body part of it. There's rat. First of all, it's a single child scroll view, so it's only going up and down, as you can see over here. After that, we have columns. So the child is a column, so it can only go up and down, not left and right. Shit. Sorry, there's a rat. So over here, first of all, it will play the YouTube controller of course. Now for more details, first of all, I'll add the timeline indicator over here, as you can see. Like, if we see, as you can see, there's a timeline indicator. Like if I pause it, there's a timeline indicator. After that, it'll set the colors to amber. As you can see, it's slightly grayish, you could say. After that, it will change the state of the website. I mean the screen. When I click it, as you can see, it changes and adds a pause button, or maybe changes the background. Then that's all for the YouTube player. It's over here, it's just the usual. You know, it sets the padding, as you can see, from up to down, from what do you say, jarak, space between the text and the actual video. You can see the color is gray, and then what's the text? Where is it? The text Ustad, call it Wasalama. Then it just repeats it for everything else down here. So I think that would be all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you have a great day. Sorry if there are a few mistakes. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.